This is what Audi's new interface looks like, and it'd kind of be the same like you saw on my car. So you go to the store, it'd show you all the apps, and then once the apps are there, you can download it, and then it would add that to the home screen somewhere here, probably like down here, instead of like all the way over to the right. So on the home screen, this is what the home screen looks like basically when you go ahead and start the car. I moved the app to this screen just so it's easier for my use. You would click into it, and then once the app loads, it basically gives you like a list of things that are within you or pretty close. So we'll go ahead and do like Tropical Smoothie Cafe, for example. It's 9 minutes away. You go down here, it shows you basically like all the popular options, right? So you can just like click one of these, for example. I'll click this one. And then you can add something else too. So if you wanted to add, let's just say, I'll add another one like blueberry, for example. You can click that as well, click continue. And then it doesn't stop there, you can continue more. You can go to sides, and it shows you basically if you want like water or sweet tea, basically whatever is available for that. So once you have that ready to go, you would go here, and then you can see you can clear the cart, edit the cart, or click checkout. All right, look at that. So payment order status, that's the address.